Alright, hey guys, this is Ken with Total Quality Painting, and I just picked up some new toolboxes. I used to have a couple bins, but the lids were getting a little worn out, so it was time for some new ones. On this stack over here, I'm going to unclip these things on the side. It has like a multi-compartment little cubby thing. It's got a couple big ones. These ones are kind of interesting. I've never seen that before. But yeah, for like our spray tips that haven't been used, or any like screws or washers. So then I've got this smaller box here. So you can see it's pretty shallow. Here, I'll take this one too. So it's a shallower one. This one I'm gonna put probably either the Eka sand in to keep it protected, or the or like putty knives or brushes and longer flat instruments, painting instruments. So these are two separate units. So they're two separate, but they're drawers. They have a lock button here, but they're drawers. And this is going to be for all of our sandpaper. It's gonna have our sanding sponges, Bondo. You got the wheelbase, and this thing goes down, and it's kind of cool. I'm gonna show you from the side. This thing tilts back, which is pretty smart. But anyways, this is a deeper toolbox. We're gonna put the maskers in there. These two are the same. These are just medium-sized bins. See inside. Get another one of those things. So that's a wrap on the Craftsman VersaStack.